All right, thanks, Mallory. The third week of testimony continues today in the federal criminal trial of Sean Diddy Combs. His former assistant took the stand, testifying about 2 different times she said she felt she was held against her will while working for Combs. ABC's Rena Roy has a breakdown of today's testimony.
Capricorn Clark, once the personal assistant to Sean Diddy Combs, testifying today she was held against her will twice while working for him. Once in 2011 when she says Combs showed up to her apartment early in the morning holding a gun, saying he wanted to go kill rapper Kid Cudi at his Los Angeles home after finding out about his relationship with Cassie Ventura. Ventura is Combs' ex-girlfriend and already testified against him in this trial. She says Combs forced her to go, Clark telling jurors she waited outside Kid Cudi's home while Combs and his bodyguard broke in. Clark testified that she was instructed to convince Kid Cudi to not tell police Combs was involved in the break-in at his house. Clark told jurors Combs said, quote, "If you don't convince him, I'm going to kill all of you," she said after Combs kicked Ventura over and over at his home. Clark testified that in 2004, Combs' security took her to a dilapidated building and over the course of 5 days forced her to take lie detector tests about missing jewelry. She told jurors a man there said if she failed, she would be thrown into New York's East River. Combs seen shaking his head in court in apparent skepticism during this testimony.
Capricorn Clark has given damaging testimony in terms of the racketeering conspiracy. Capricorn Clark has served as one of the strongest witnesses in the sense of her being the personal assistant in terms of being the insight as to what was going on, but information about how the security really worked as co-conspirators to Sean Combs.
The defense attempted to prove that she enjoyed working for Combs. In her cross-examination, Clark emotional, saying, quote, "Separate from all this stuff, I did learn a lot from Puff." Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
Defense attorneys also pointed out that a month after federal agents raided Combs' properties, Clark testified she and Combs discussed her returning to work for him again as his chief of staff. The trial will continue tomorrow.